Time now is 6:07. Let's get a check of our forecast with meteorologist Josh Johns.
Yeah, and it's a cold morning out there. Temperatures right now sitting in the 30s, and we are dealing with a little bit of that misty drizzle outside across parts of central Texas, and especially in Bell County. As you look at our Extraco Eagle Eye sitting there in Killeen now, you're seeing some of those that mist sitting there on I-14. Temperatures, they're chilly though. 40s and 30s outside. The few 30s sitting there off to the west. 34 Goldthwaite and San Saba. 41 now in Waco. 39 in Temple. 37 in Killeen. And 47 in Bryan College Station. The thing is, when you factor in that wind that's blowing about 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the north, everyone, for the most part, feeling like they're in the 30s. In some areas, feeling below freezing or even in the 20s. 26 is what it feels like right now in Goldthwaite and in Hamilton. So we're going to see these temperatures kind of stay on the chilly side as we go through the day. We are dealing with a few of those showers too. Radar is starting to show a few more of these areas where that drizzle's picking up into shower now. As you're looking there off to the north of Belton, there's one, another one south of Bruceville and Eddy, another one sitting there west of Meridian, pushing up into North Texas. And off to the west, you're seeing some mixed precipitation just outside of central Texas, just on the other side of the county line from San Saba into McCulloch County. San Saba and Mills County, there could be a few slick spots because temperatures have briefly dropped below freezing. I don't expect a ton of issues, but if you are out there driving this morning there in San Saba and Mills County, you need to be watching the roads carefully. We're just going to play it safe, regardless of if there is ice on the roads or not. The big areas where you're having an issue is off to the west of central Texas into West Texas, the Panhandle, over towards the Concha Valley. That's where they're seeing ice and snow this morning. And it's all thanks to our main system sitting out there over New Mexico. Until that gets out of here, we keep the rain chances around. And today looks to be another one of those wet and damp days. Lower 40s on the way. I think we'll top out around 43. 46 is our record lowest high for today, so we should break that. Rain chances will go down for the middle of the day, but pick back up overnight as we get another wave of the disturbance moving across. So 43 Waco Temple today, 30s out west, 50s across our eastern counties, and we'll keep that potential for rain around. Watch what happens overnight, though. We see the potential for more widespread rain and also a few embedded thunderstorms before the system finally pulls out of here, finally bringing clearer conditions by the time we head towards the end of the day and on into tomorrow, or on into Thursday morning rather. 43 today, 40 overnight, 54 for tomorrow with a 70% chance of storms. Then look at the drier air come back in. We get into the 60s and the 70s for the weekend. It's where we should be this time of year, and luckily looks like things are going to be dry as we go to the polls next week.